Pretty unfortunate. Now over to political news. Siaya Senator and leader of minority in the Senate, James Orengo, has exuded confidence that Parliament will pass the BBI bill next week and pave way for a referendum to be conducted in July this year. However, Orengo came under sharp criticism from lawmakers allied to the Amani National Congress over his push to have the BBI bill amended by Parliament ahead of the referendum. Our senior political reporter, Patrick Amimo, has more.
Addressing mourners during the burial of Kezia Obama in Kogelo Village, Siaya County, Orengo asked Kenyans to prepare for a referendum in July. The Senate will hold special sittings on Tuesday and Wednesday, while the National Assembly will resume normal sittings, where members will vote to either reject or adopt the BBI bill.
Msimamo yetu ni kwamba hii BBI tunataka ipitishwe na wiki ijayo itapitishwa katika bunge la taifa na bunge la Senate. Na ikifika mwezi wa Julai ama mwezi wa 8 tunaenda kwa kura ya referendum.
There has been a fallout in Raila Odinga's ODM camp over BBI, with sections of lawmakers led by James Orengo pushing for Parliament to have a voice and make changes to the document ahead of the referendum.
And we are doing what needs to be done to make sure that when it leaves Parliament and it comes to the referendum, it is a document that is properly and thoroughly accepted.
Those opposing it, or those who want amendment, are the ones who used to say the train has left the station. The train is almost crashing. Why do they want to do amendment now? And they know very well the amendments are illegal. The Orengos of this world. We pass the document the way it is.
On Friday, while in Nyatike, Migori County, Orengo said the initial BBI document was altered by some individuals for selfish interests. Orengo took issue with the section of the BBI document that had proposed the subdivision of Nyatike constituency, which is missing in the current document. He urged ODM supporters to relax as they fix the BBI mess.
Sisi ile wakati ingine, party leader wetu Msali alikuwa anawaambia Orengo, hii BBI iko na shida kidogo kwa sababu hizi constituency 70 ambayo tumeongeza karibu 40 zinaenda Mlima Kenya peke yake. Lakini Orengo akasema kwamba the train has already left. Yule Junet Mohamed akasema hakuna kugeuza. Sasa hivi Orengo sasa ndio inamfinya. Yeye ndiye anasema sasa tufungue. Mimi ningependa kuambia Orengo ni muhimu mkwe mnasikizana na wale political partners wenu. Mtu akikuambia kitu usiongee kizungu mingi na sheria mingi, usahau kumsikia, uweke siasa ndani.
The country was recently thrown into confusion after a joint parliamentary committee on BBI disclosed existence of 2 draft bills. A ping-pong game then ensued between the BBI Secretariat and the IEBC and the government printer.
Wanasema ilikuwa typo error. Sasa mimi nauliza, typo error inapatikana wakati wa kutype, sio wakati wa kufotokopi. Sasa wewe Junet una photocopy the wrong, alafu unasema kulikuwa na typo error.
Once Parliament decides on the BBI bill, it shall be transmitted to the President, who shall later transmit the same to IEBC to prepare the referendum question and set the referendum date. Patrick Amimo, KTN News.
Now we're going to take a short break, but